Hey, welcome back, where we help you stay strong and keep pushing toward your goals. Today's video is about one of the most important qualities you can develop on your path to success: persistence. No matter what your dreams are, no matter how big or small, one thing is for sure: you won't achieve them overnight. Success takes time, effort, and the ability to keep going when things get tough. In this video, I'm going to share how the power of persistence can help you achieve your dreams, one step at a time. Let's dive in. The myth of overnight success. First, let's bust one of the biggest myths out there: overnight success. In today's world, it can seem like people achieve success instantly, whether it's through social media, business, or any other field. But the truth is, most so-called overnight successes are the result of years of hard work, persistence, and determination behind the scenes. Success doesn't happen overnight, and neither do successful people in any field. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results, but remember, every step you take is building towards something bigger. The key to achieving your dreams is to keep taking those steps, even when progress feels slow. Persistence is what separates those who reach their goals from those who give up too soon. Consistency beats intensity. One of the biggest mistakes people make when chasing their dreams is trying to achieve everything all at once. They start with intense bursts of energy, trying to conquer their goals in a matter of days or weeks, but eventually, they burn out. The truth is, consistency beats intensity every time. Think of it like training. You don't train for hours one day and then skip the next. You train consistently, day after day, building your strength and skills over time. The same applies to your goals. It's not about how fast or intensely you work in the beginning. It's about showing up every day and putting in the effort, even when you don't feel like it. Persistence is about staying consistent, no matter how small the steps. Embrace the struggle. Persistence isn't just about moving forward when things are easy. It's about staying committed when the struggle hits. Everyone faces obstacles, whether it's a tough opponent or a challenging task. But what sets them apart is their ability to embrace the struggle and keep going. In life, you're going to face setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. But instead of seeing these as reasons to give up, view them as part of the process. Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, and better prepared for the next challenge. Remember, the road to your dreams isn't a straight line. It's full of twists, turns, and struggles. But every step you take, even the difficult ones, brings you closer to your goal. Break it down into small steps. Persistence isn't just about pushing forward. It's about having the strategy to take things one step at a time. Chasing big dreams can be overwhelming when you focus on the entire journey, but like a ninja conquers one battle at a time, you must break your goals into manageable steps. Focus on the next step you can take today. What small action can move you closer to your dream? It could be an email, a phone call, or 30 minutes of work on your project. These small steps add up, and before you know it, you'll see significant progress. Celebrate your wins along the way. One of the most important parts of staying persistent is recognizing and celebrating your progress along the way. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of your end goal and forget to acknowledge the small victories that happen every day. But these wins, no matter how small, are proof that you're moving in the right direction. Just like celebrating mastering a new skill, you should take the time to appreciate the steps you've taken toward your dream. Celebrating your wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that persistence pays off. Don't wait until you've reached the finish line. Enjoy the journey. Conclusion: persistence is the key to achieving your dreams. Remember, there's no such thing as overnight success. Stay consistent, embrace the struggle, take small steps, and celebrate your progress along the way. Keep pushing forward, and you'll get there, one step at a time. Stay strong, and see you in the next video.